What's up, guys? Today we're talking about 12 must-have free VSTs. Plus, I'm talking about a crazy plugin which is free for a limited time in the end of the video. I downloaded these years ago, and they are still heavily useful to me in my projects today. If you're looking to upgrade your mixes and sound design without spending a single dime, you need these in your folder. Let's jump straight into it. The first plugin is Splice Instrument. This versatile sample-based synthesizer provides a massive variety of high-quality, pre-cleared sounds right out of the gate. It's an incredible workhorse for quickly layering melodies or finding instant inspiration when you're starting a track from scratch. The second plugin is Analog Lab Play by Arturia. This stripped-back, entirely free version of Arturia's legendary Analog Lab delivers iconic vintage synth and keyboard sounds. It gives you 100 pristine high-end presets taken from their famous V-Collection Think Classic ADS synths, organs, and cinematic pads with a super clean, minimalist interface. The third VST is Vital by Matt Teitel. Vital completely changed the game for high-end spectral warping wavetable synths. It's highly visual, incredibly powerful, easily rivals paid giants like Serum, and its clean modulation workflow and text-to-wavetable features make it an absolute necessity for modern electronic production. The fourth VST is Tyrell N6 by Yuhi. Designed by Yuhi, the creators of Diva, this synth delivers that gritty, vintage, hardware-style analog warmth. It's a warm, authentic analog emulation that excels at fat bass lines, retro leads, and classic synthwave chords. The fifth VST is Vienna Synchron Player by VSL. While the sample engine itself is incredibly smooth, the real prize here is that it gives you access to 10 amazing free libraries. From VSL like Celestial Strings and the Big Bang Orchestra, it is perfect for adding massive movie score depth and epic cinematic orchestral textures to your tracks. The sixth VST is Aura Tone Zone. This is a highly advanced, pay-what-you-can master bus tonal balancer and smart curve corrector. It acts like a second set of eyes on your master bus, overlaying your mix's 4-0 band spectrum against pro-target genres, using its smart EQ to gently nudge your frequencies into the perfect zone, and adding built-in per-band analog saturation. The seventh VST is TDR Nova by Tokyo Dawn Labs. Nova is a parallel dynamic EQ that delivers ultra-precise frequency control by only cutting or boosting sounds when they cross a certain volume threshold. If you have a harsh vocal resonance that only pops up on certain words, or a bass line that clashes with your kick, Nova fixes it completely transparently. The eighth VST is Loud Max Limiter by Thomas Munt. Loud Max is beautifully simple, offering transparent brick wall limiting and maximization. It's a clean limiter designed to squeeze maximum loudness out of your track while preserving the original punch and clarity of your mix without adding ugly distortion. The ninth VST is OTT by Xfer Records. Made by the creator of Serum, OTT is legendary for its aggressive upward and downward multiband compression. It pushes the quiet details up and crushes the loud peaks down, instantly giving your synths, drums, and basses that hyper-compressed, modern, in-your-face sound. The 10th VST is The Masker by LIM. Developed by audio technology students at the University of Milan, this clever utility provides automatic frequency masking compensation. It automatically detects and carves out overlapping frequencies between competing tracks, making it incredibly easy to toss on muddy elements and instantly clean up space in your mix. The 11th VST is Valhalla Supermassive. Supermassive is designed for creating gigantic, otherworldly reverbs and delays, ambient clouds, and endless echoing delays. It doesn't really do small room reverbs. Instead, it creates beautiful, swelling soundscapes that sound incredibly high-end. The 12th VST is Raum by Native Instruments. Raum is a brilliant, versatile reverb that delivers high-fidelity, creative room sounds, handling everything from tight, realistic drum rooms to abstract, modulated spaces. It features a unique air control and a pre-delay feedback loop that lets you turn simple sounds into evolving musical textures. And in last, one bonus-free plugin is the Minimal Audio Hybrid Filter, which is free for a limited time. This is an absolute beast of a creative multi-mode filter featuring over 50 cutting-edge filter types, including morphing, formant, comb, and phaser modes. It is incredibly powerful for adding rhythmic movement and electronic edge to your sounds, so grab this one immediately while it's still free. Which one of these are you dropping into your next project first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more production breakdowns, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.